Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to assemble this smaller Micke Desk from IKEA. For this build, you need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a hammer, and an Allen key that IKEA provides you with. You can also use a drill with the Phillips or posi drive bit to speed up the assembly process. So the first steps are related to the assembly of the drawer. Grab this piece and put it in this orientation. Also grab two of these screws and screw them into these two holes. Then grab these two side drawer pieces and put them into this orientation. Also grab two wooden dowels and hammer them into these two holes. Now attach the two side drawer pieces as shown. Then grab two of the smallest fasteners and secure them into these two holes. It'll look something like this. Next, flip the unfinished drawer over and place the bottom of the drawer on like this. Now grab the back of the drawer and place it in this orientation, then attach it as shown. Next, grab two plastic pins and hammer them into these two holes. Then grab two corresponding drawer sliders that are marked with a DL and a DR and four of these small screws. Now go to the left side of the drawer and place the DL drawer slider on like this, then secure it using two screws. Then repeat the same step for the DR drawer slider on the other side. So these next steps are related to having the metal leg being located on the right side of the desk. So now grab these two pieces and put them into this orientation. Also grab two wooden dowels. Then hammer the two dowels into these two holes and attach the smaller piece to the bigger piece as shown. Now grab this piece and put it in this orientation. Just make sure that these two holes are in this position and also grab two wooden dowels. Then hammer in the dowels into these two holes and attach this piece on as shown. Now grab these two panels and put them into this orientation. The bigger hole should be in this position, and also grab 8 of these screws. Now screw the 8 screws into these 8 holes. The end product should look something like this. Next, grab 2 drawer sliders that are labeled with an L and an R and 4 of these small screws. So for this panel, place the drawer slider that is marked with an R on like this and secure it using 2 screws. As for this panel, place the drawer slider that is marked with an L and place it on as shown, then secure using the 2 screws. Now bring in the structure that you worked on before and put in this orientation. Also grab 2 wooden dowels. Then hammer in the dowels into these 2 holes. Now attach this panel to the structure as shown. Then attach the other panel like this. Next, grab 8 of the medium-sized fasteners and secure them into these 8 holes. Now grab 4 dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Then grab the top of the desk and put it in this orientation. Also grab 4 of these screws and screw them into these 4 holes. Now attach the bottom of the desk to the top of the desk like this. Next, grab 4 of the longest fasteners and secure them into these 4 holes. Then grab the metal leg, 3 of these screws, and an Allen key. You don't have to put the Allen key through the back handle, as I found it unnecessary. Then place the metal leg on like this and secure it using 3 screws. The screws will be going into these 3 holes. Now grab 4 felt pads and stick 2 of them on like this. You can also stick on more if you want to. Next, grab 2 scratch guards and hammer them into these 2 spots. Then flip the desk over like this. Now attach the drawer to the desk like this. Next, grab this plastic ring and put it in as shown. Then grab 4 stickers and stick them over these 4 holes for aesthetic purposes. Now check that the drawer opens and closes properly. If you followed all these steps, then you shouldn't have any issues. So you should now have a fully assembled Micke desk from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.